Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech and Creatives. Guys, today topic is Sonar Cube. Guys, today I will discuss about these are all topics. What is Sonar Cube, how to install the Sonar Cube, how to run the Sonar Cube, how to run the project and integrate with Sonar Cube. These are all topics will be discussed, guys. Guys, these are all topics is very important, and I will tell the what is theory part, and I do the practical also. Please observe and carefully. Guys, first of all, I will tell this what is Sonar Cube. Simply saying in Sonar Cube is a code quality gates and code checking. This is part of using in Sonar Cube and mostly. And Sonar Cube is a leading tool and continuously inspect the code quality and security your code base. That is a main part of in Sonar Cube. Code quality and security of your code base. This is a main simply saying in abbreviation what is Sonar Cube. Sonar Cube is a code quality and code checking as well as security of your code base. That is a main part of in Sonar Cube is using. See what is the abbreviation in Sonar Cube. Sonar Cube is a open source platform developed by the Sonar Cube for continuous inspection of the code quality to perform the automatic review with static analysis of the code to detect the bugs. Okay, main is important using the what is how many errors and checking the errors also. What is the bugs or code that code will be invalidate after all checking the code qualities. That is using in under Sonar Cube server also. I will show it what is the Sonar Cube, how to run the Sonar Cube server, what is the options of Sonar Cube server. I will show it. Okay, first of all you can observe it what is Sonar Cube. Sonar Cube is a mostly used in code quality gates and code checking. The you can use it, you can any errors or any bugs, how many bugs are display, what the percentage of the Sonar Cube, you can integration of the deploy the application. That is a part of the main important of the Sonar Cube. Okay guys, you can use the these commands also. MVN installation process, you can add the URL. That is a once you can add the project URL and use the MVN command, that is installed and project your local machine. Then once you can clean the MVN package, you can clean the text and validate and checking and verify. That is a Maven calls also it's working there. And then you can deploy the Sonar Cube server. Once you can use this kind of MVN sonar. That is a main useful and important thing. First of all, you can install this in Sonar Cube and how to install in locally. I will tell the first of all what go to the server and download Sonar Cube. Download this Windows machine. Present how many versions of using in developing, and then mainly used in 7.3. It's used in community version. You can see this is a show all version. You can select this any version of present. I am working in 7.3 version community edition. That is select this all of you can use its community versions. Present we are using in 7.3. That is you can go to the 7.3 and August 13, 2018 is release date. Then you can download this. Once you can download this, then go to the downloads and extract here. Once you can extract here, I will show you the what is the extract. Then you can store the one particular location. Then once you can extract here, see SonarQube folder is displayed. Once open this folder, under SonarQube open, see under SonarQube one bin folder, con folder, data, extensions, libraries, logs, temp files. These are all using in SonarQube libraries. And what is under, you can run the SonarQube. What is running SonarQube, I will show it. Then please observe, in under bin folder you can go to the Windows 86 and 64 you support the version, that is you can select it. Then you can go under this, you can run the command prompt. Once you can start the SonarQube, that is a nothing problem, I will show it. Once you can go to the config folder, see Sonar properties or Sonar configuration. Then go to this libraries or data, library files also. All this you can run the jar files or var files. You can checking the code qualities, deploy the application in server, SonarQube server. That is a different section. And present today I will be use only local machine server. You can how to installation process, and then how to deploy the your WAR file also, and jar file also, one project also you can deploy the SonarQube server. That part also I will show it in today. Then next tomorrow also I will definitely how to integrate the in Jenkins server in SonarQube. That is the next part also. I will show that part also in tomorrow also. Is mostly useful, and that is, and interview also how to you can integrate with Jenkins server in SonarQube. That is using on one plugin SonarQube platform. That is a different, that plugin will be installed and configure the section and configure the, can mention its server. By default is very important. By default port is by default port is on SonarQube 9000. That is very important. Is by default port is 9000. You remember it. Then this is a, once you can store the Bitbucket server. Once store the Bitbucket server, and that project also you can then given the this project, and directly push the code into Bitbucket server, then automatically integrate with SonarQube server in Jenkins part. That part also I will discuss about tomorrow. Today also I will only local machine also I will installation and deploy process. That is a part of in separate. I will explain this tomorrow also, then no problem. Today also you can observe this how to installation. Yes, is done. Once you can install the SonarQube, then extract here. Once you can display the all bin and con folders. Okay, then next is how to run the SonarQube. This is a very important. How to run the SonarQube? See, under SonarQube, once you can extract here, this folder will be displayed. Under SonarQube, go to the SonarQube section. Under SonarQube section, it is a number of files also. One, you can go to the bin folder. Then see, this is a bin folder. You can Linux machine also install and go to the 86 and 64 machine. That is nothing to else. Then Windows is a, you can support this your Windows section and Windows 86 and 64. It is in my case is supported. Then once you can go to that folder also, you can run this place of CMD and command prompt also. Once you can run the this pass also command prompt and project SonarQube and SonarQube 3 bin folder under bin folder Windows 86 and 64. Then we can start this SonarQube start sonar.bat. See, this command is very important. I will share it this command also. We can try this definitely. Observe this how to run the SonarQube server. Is a many time will be taken him. That's why no problem. You can observe it and JVM which function you can launch the JVM. Then SonarQube in 7.3 version you can mention here. Then you can all properties will be installed here. Once you can install this, you can go to the server also. Open new tab, and what is the port name also? You remember is what is the SonarQube port? By default port is 9000. This is using the SonarQube running server. By default port is that is mentioned here. Go to the server. Once running the SonarQube, it's up and running, will be show it. Then some time will be taken. See, up and running is done. Once go to the localhost. Running in SonarQube server, that is the problem. Yes, it's running. See here, observe it carefully. SonarQube is starting. Once you can starting, you can by default admin and by default user password is admin. This auto will be using this. Still now it's starting and server is running also. Go to the home option. See, this is the SonarQube web page. I have already 8 projects. This time also I will run another project also. This case also display 9. This count also. That is I will show it the how many projects. No problem. And then you can see how to log in the. This is a SonarQube page. First you can start the SonarQube. You can documentation also provide this. and what is worst on code quality checking using the bugs tracks also, and code small will be config the maintenance of given this and measure the primarily times of conditions, and the clean code how to clean the code also we clearly mention it. You follow this all steps also, then can go to the login section. Once login the using login id admin, password also admin. Once login this is successfully running in SonarQube server. Display the all projects also. My projects are already done in the 8 projects also. That will be project names. See, you can observe it carefully. This is 8 projects also is project count name. See, this is a code quality and reliability and security, and then maintainability and coverage. This is a percentage, guys. See, observe here under 80% and will be your application will be deployed successfully, then no problem. Once you can less than 35 and 50, you can, it is a not mention that code also, don't take in this that code person is a duplicate section also you mention here. Once you can 20 to 30% you can mention here. That is a no case of validity of that code. You can all the cases in 70 to 80% also. The code will be, you can deploy the your server using the Tomcat server, then deploy here. That is a problem, no problems. I am running in only Java projects also. That is a you can show the all options also. Then once this is a project, my Apple project, on zero bugs are and code small and coverage duplicates, these are all mentioned here. Once any bugs are, you can display this section. Under bug section, my code Apple code will be any issues and any errors also, that will be mentioned here, and that is no problem. I will show the how to running the project, display the all types of. See, this is a coverage of percentage, code is small mistakes and one you display the one, and this case also one SonarQube. And the next is, yeah, this is a observe. See, this case will be percentage will be display. This is a 100% will be deploy this application. The 84% will be mentioned here. This is a 45 and 47. This is a 73. This is a not at all often. This is a 8% only. That is a the code not variable, that code also. Yeah, you can observe it carefully. Can understand this. Observe SonarQube server page. Next will be go here. See, under once you can install this project, you can add the run the MVN clean package. Once you can run the MVN clean package, then you can display the project name, the under project also source code and pom.xml. You know already I explain it on what is source code and what is pom.xml. Project model, project object model, what is what. Please go through the all videos. Pom.xml. Please go through that videos also on Maven and Tomcat also. I have already done it. Please watch it that videos, and you understanding more understanding purpose. Then what is pom.xml. Under pom.xml and group ID and artifact ID and version package will be displayed under this. Once you can run it, once under dependencies also displays here. Under dependencies you can run the you can mention here properties. Properties means you can any project will be run this what is project, web app project and Java project, that will be mentioned here. Under properties can mention this Maven plugin. Under Maven plugins also run in and Jacaco under this. Very carefully I will explain it under last two videos also. You can go through that, watch it. Then run the one project. I've taken one project also. Wait 1 minute. Okay, I will take one project, no problem. That project also I will take this in jar file project. Can any projects or jar file or val file you can any mention here. That is, you can checking the 1 second text 100% your Sonar Cube testing is granted. Then deployment is easy to on production server. I will take in one. See this project also. Copy the URL. See these three comments also, you remember it. MVN copy URL. I already mentioned here in MVN. And go to my projects folder in local repository. I will store here. Where is the my all project names? This is Git project, and run the Git bash also right here. Yes, it's running successfully in Git bash. Sorry guys. So run the command prompt also is here. Go to the command prompt. Under project also you can copy this. See MVN command, you can archetype and data types also, group ID and artifact ID. I will mention here all our versions. That is run the project. See, you can what is what I will tell there already in what is group ID, what is artifact ID, it is version, what is package also. Please first of all go through that videos and pick these videos. Okay, it's observe it carefully. Once you can run the command prompt also, you can this is a project URL. Once you can take this URL, you can run this some location also. Run the command prompt. Once you can paste it here, this can be run in then building Maven sub project of pom.xml. Some taken will be time will be some taken some time also. You can wait you can very patient here. Your internet case, this will be once you can get the first at internet, you will get the many seconds also. My case problem is internet bandwidth is slow. Okay, then I will connect in my Jio internet. I will show here. Yes, it's display this. Once you can run the project also, you can mention here all. With group ID was code checking. You can mention here any. Then products also. Version is 1.4. Package also checking. Once you can done, as source you can mention here build is successful. Then install what is the my project name is code checking. You see here. Once you install the local machine, then you can display the source and pom.xml. Once again I will show here server is running as stopped here. I will connect the my Geo server also, that is once you can check it. Yes, it's running. Let's refresh it. See, there is no project and code checking. Nothing to else. And checking also not there. Okay, go to the my command prompt also. Once go to the command prompt, once you can install here your local machine, that is name is source code and pom.xml. Under pom.xml you can all things of I have already done it. Once you can install here one, then mention the all things also, your project details also, Maven plugins also add in, and the dependencies also. Only you can mention here and Maven or Tomcat this you can mention the, and main classes also, Maven plugins, Tomcat plugins also, that is mandatory. In case of SonarQube installation, you can only checking the qualities of anything, that is no problem. You can directly you can deploy the your SonarQube server. Once you can display the pom.xml, you can observe here. See, this is a SonarQube pom.xml. Under group ID code checking and artifact ID is just the same, and package name is only checking this. There is a package name, but separate case. Okay, done is under, see here under properties also mention the sonar encoding section plugin, and that plugin we also can mention here. Then you can dependencies add the under dependencies you can install the Maven plugins also, you can create a jar file. Then that file also you can, that coding also you can check in this, mention deploy the SonarQube server. What is the next process is MVN. You can write the one Maven goal MVN clean package. Once you can run the this Maven goal also, generate the create the target folder. Okay, observe this. Sorry, build is failure. Yes, sorry, go to the that path also, code checking. See this here you can mention MVN. See, target folder is generated. See, observe this text, and under all the Maven calls is running is build is success once. See, build is success. under target folder you can create the jar file also. This project will be jar project and my own project also I will running. You can anywhere any project will be display this here. Okay, then go to the my command prompt. In this case also once you can deploy how to deploy the sonar, how to integrate the SonarQube server. My project also okay, checking that project also. See, one simple command mvn. This command is very important. Mvn sonar colon sonar. Once you see what is run is definitely you can success build is success. Then integrate with your SonarQube server. Your project will be checking also all bugs or errors and availabilities and reliability security purpose. See, you can observe here how to um, once you can use this command, what is the process of default publisher global utility and caches, all the checking. First of all you can checking the server, you can code also. Then it is mentioned the all plugins also, properties, project qualities, that is all you can observe here. Taken some time also. Checking process is done. See, any issues you can warning also. SCM providers auto protecting file is such the providers that will be coding the error comments, error bugs also you can display here. Then three files are indexed, all is mentioned here. Then another once again Java's code is time will be more taken is all the code will be checking here. And Jaco the sensor also we see here. Jaco what is okay, all this code will be checking this JUnit text and names. See, build is successful. Some time you can wait for a few minutes. Then will be build it successfully. Once you can check it the server. My project is deployed or not. Once I refresh it. The internet issue, some case. No problem. See here, my project is displayed. This once you can click it here, you can observe is on all the overall issues, security reports, measures and code activities, administrations. All this you can mention here. See, bugs is 0, values and 10 minutes ago will be displayed here. And one code is mistake is small project. See, issues also nothing to else. Can checking the qualities and bugs, visibility, replace the use system.org. Is a Java program also. That case will be displayed here. See, 73% you can display this. Once it is available after playing the code also. Okay guys, this will be mentioned the SonarQube qualities and checking the code quality and code security purpose. That is a project. You can count this 9 project. This is it done all the topics also today. Okay guys, I will share the documentation also in description. Please go through it. Once you can try it, definitely you can get it. Okay guys, bye. Thank you.